Hey everyone. So, like I said, I was gonna do a outside video, so we're just sitting outside. It's very nice out today. So, here's Aubrey. And I covered her up because it's kind of chilly outside today. And I put different pants on her. Put her heart pants. And she's got her little shoes on. So, as you can tell, it's kind of windy. And, alright. So, here she is, all cuddled up with Mommy. So, here she is, all cuddled up with Mommy, and we're just sitting outside, enjoying the nice, cool weather. And the birds everywhere. It's attack of the birds. Neighbor just looked at me. It's like, who is that? Yeah, we're at my dad's right now. So, you never really get to come here, so, yeah. It's very nice out. She just looks so adorable. And so, I hope everybody has a wonderful day today, and that, everybody that has rainy days, I hope y'all stay safe and stay dry, because I know it's supposed to get more bad weather coming, so, hope y'all stay safe. And Aubrey's looking up at the trailer. Yeah, see? Yes, people. That's where I grew up, in a trailer. But I have no complaints about it. Look at her. She's so cute. In the summertime. Thank you for watching. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot. She wants to say hi to all of her aunties. And hope you all have a wonderful day too. Oh yeah, my neighbors have ducks. Yeah, they're in the back, just squawking away. They're like quack, 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 quack. And here I am rambling. But anyways, shout out to all my subscribers. And yeah, shout out to all her aunties. So, hope you all have a wonderful day today. And yeah, thank you for watching.